Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Google Play Store country or region. It's really simple and easy. For this, first of all, of course, you have to open the Google Play Store application in your mobile, and then you have to tap on your profile picture in the top left corner, and you will see these options. Tap on this payments and subscriptions. Here click on payment methods, and here you can see this option more payment settings. Just simply tap on it and you will redirect to the default web page. Left side you will see these three bars. Tap on it. In this, select settings, and here you can edit this country or region. Just tap on this pencil icon here and it will ask you to create a new profile. Click on it and then click on continue. Now you can select your desired country here, whatever you want, and then tap on this continue. After that, file your address information and click on submit. And that's pretty much it. That's how to change your Google Play Store country or region. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.